Hi guys, it's me again, and now you might be wondering why WinBlock is not open. So I'm just gonna tell you one thing that guys, today I'm only trying the connections of the car, Tesla Autopilot car. I'm just gonna tell you, it's not exactly a Tesla; it's a small car. So, you'll have to get. There'll be two videos about this. One I'll be posting a bit, sometime later. So right now, and there'll be code in that video. Right now, I'm just gonna tell you the connections quickly. Okay, so you need a breadboard with nano, a USB cable, ultrasonic sensor, servo motor, jumper wires, and a car. Now, I might have been showing you robot cars in the beginning, some in some of my other videos. So So you may so if you don't have a robot car, you can just look at in some of my other videos where there are robot cars. I've showed you how to make them. So you'll also have to get a motor driver. Now there's one thing about this. So you'll have to. I told you to get the ultrasonic sensor. Right? That's the input of this. The control system will be the nano, and the output will be the car. So now what you have to do is on the robot car, I'll just show you. This is, you see, at the front, where I put the servo motor, there'll actually be a large hole. So you have to try and fit in your servo motor both sides. It took me a lot of time, but I managed to get it in a bit. You don't need to get it in like the whole thing. A bit will do, just so it stays there. That's how you'll do the servo motor, yeah. Then you have to connect now yellow wire of some motor with a male to male wire. You should connect it to D5, and then I guess if you have a problem with this, you can stick the breadboard onto the chassis of the robot car with a double-sided tape. One more thing, in the servo motor, the brown wire is GND, the red wire is VCC 5V, and the yellow wire is control, a signal. Now you have to connect the yellow wire to D5, control wire to D5. Okay, and you have to connect the 5V to the positive pin, of course, and the GND to negative. Now guys, there'll be a motor. First, connect the motor driver. The EP pin should go on H18, and then the rest of it will get placed. Now, so remember to get the nano in power by connecting 5V to positive line, GND to negative line from the nano, remember. Now, with the male to female wires, connect the GND and VCC of motor driver to positive and negative line. Okay, and now connect. Well, there'll be actually you have to connect. Yes, iron one should go. Wait, no. Iron four should go to, yeah. Iron four should go to D8. Iron 3 should go to. Oh, yeah, iron 3 should go to D7. Iron, iron 1 should go to. D4 and IN2 should go to D5. Okay, and you can just reverse the video if you want to listen to this again. Now, the next thing you have to do is, you see there'll be a right motor and left motor on your car. Try the left motor, and if it's correct, you'll have to connect it to out one wire to out one, and one wire to out two. And right motor, first, actually you have to test the motor. So one pin should go on positive line and one pin on negative line. If it's going backward, you have remember you'll have the wheel on the motor. So if the wheel's going backward, so just switch those wires. So the one that was on positive line on negative line, and the one that was on negative line was on positive line. And if it goes forward, then it's correct. And if your motor doesn't work, actually just make sure you've connected the USB cable so the nano gets power, because that thing happened one day and it was like that the motor isn't working before my mom pointed it out. So yeah, now if both the motors are working fine and you've got them to go forwards, just now, when you got the left motor to go forward, connect the wire that is on positive line to out one, and the wire that was on negative line to out two. On the right motor, you also test that. The one that was on positive line should go on out three, and one that was on negative line should go on out four. That'll be connecting the motors. And yeah, so I'll just tell you the whole thing again. IN4 of the motor driver should go on D8, IN3 to D7, IN2 to D5, IN1 to D4. Wait, I haven't told you one thing. Yes! You see, I've forgotten to tell you the ultrasound sensors connections. You may be wondering why I didn't. Use female to male wires, GND to negative, VCC to positive line. Okay, trigger to D11 and echo to D10. Okay, so that'll be it. I'm just gonna give you the pin for configuration. So signal pin of the servo motor D6, echo D10, trigger D11. Now motor driver. IN1 D4, IN2 D5, IN3 D7, IN4 D8. So, well guys, if you don't understand, you can just repeat this video again. Well, I do hope you understood, and remember to, because if your ultrasound sensor gets in the way of the wheels, you can stick that onto the chassis with double-sided tape as well, like I do. Make sure to mount your breadboard as well, or it may fall off. I used double-sided tape because it may fall off and get in the way of your wheels, so the connections can get unconnected. And well, guys, that's it. Like, subscribe, share, and don't forget to miss the next video, which will be coming very soon. See ya.